My life was incomplete before you came into it. Since I meet you, my life has changed completely. You are like a flower that has many fragrances in it. Thanks for decorating my life with the colors of your love. I love you, my love. You may not know that you have a heart of gold. You are the shining star of the darkest night. Thanks for taking care of my heart, soul, and the chaotic parts of me when I first saw you. I was attracted by your beautiful face and your charming smile, but it was the beauty of your heart that I feel for. I found an angel in you that is more amazing than what's visible from the outside. You have a very distinctive pair of eyes. Whenever I look into them, I find myself lost in an ocean of infinity, hope, happiness, and peace. This hope keeps me alive. That happiness surrounds me every moment in my life, and that peace reminds me that I am in heaven. I can create another Watsy describing my love for you. You have such a profound influence on my life that I cannot erase the memories of you even if I live for a million years. I am lucky to be part of your life. I will love you till my last breath. Your intelligence and your beauty captivate me every time I see you. Your grace and your determination to get things done amazes me. The sound of your together fills my heart with so many happiness. You are the sweetest person I know, and I am head over heels in love with you. In every heart a spark resides, a forest of good that never hides kindness, like the morning sun can hail and warm everyone. A gentle touch, a listening ear, a word of hope to calm our fear in acts so small yet deeply grand. We blind a bridge across the land when darkness falls and shadows loom. Let kindness be the light that blooms far in each gesture, poor and bright. We find the strength to make things right together. Let's embrace the way and lead our kindness, lead the day, for in our shared humanity lies the power to set hearts free. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.